What's up, Sinclair Nation? Welcome back to another video. I am editing this whole thing right now and realize I forgot to film an intro, so here we are at the end of the video, but it's actually before the video is even done. How crazy is that? What you're about to witness is pure cinematic greatness, if I do say so myself. And this whole process has been quite the experience. I cannot wait to show you what's about to come on the screen. Once again, shout out to RevMoto. I cannot wait to reveal the entire build to you guys. There's a lot going on behind the scenes, and I cannot wait to show you. But for now, quit the chit chat and enjoy the video. See you, Sinclair Nation. And we are currently driving the Supra in go-kart spaceship mode, and I'm hearing all sorts of sounds that I should not be hearing. The lights, I'm pretty sure, are like dragging on the ground because the tape didn't work that I was trying to hold it up with. Oh my god. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this, because this is probably going to do more harm than good for the car. I just hope the paint looks good now. After a short drive, we arrived to RevMoto, and I was a silly goober goosey and didn't use my external mic properly, so it's just working off my friends. So here we go. Cool, so we made it to RevMoto once again, driving like the go-kart looking Supra, and we're here checking out the first, I guess, piece that's there. That's crazy.
I don't even know where this comes from. Which part is this?
That's like the front fender piece that goes right before the wheel, I'm pretty sure.
All right,
We'll go see.
Let's go see.
Woo. So is that the only one that's done right now?
Yeah, so we want to make sure, just because like the material that's made out of, sometimes the color changes. So before we continue,
that one goes I'm pretty sure.
Does that go like this? Like this?
Other way, upside down.
Okay, okay.
Like that.
Oh, okay, all the way in there. How's that look?
I think it looks pretty dang sweet.
Yeah?
I think that's a match. I think that's a match, y'all. That looks good.
Oh, man. I know everyone complains about like body kits not matching or anything like that, right? That's what everyone's always worried about. Yeah.
In the sun, there you go.
It's gonna look like OEM.
Yeah, it does.
It looks like it came from the factory.
What do you think, Jared?
Get a closer look.
He's the expert.
Yes, expert Jared.
And that's not even buffed out or anything. That's just straight, just like that.
That's
so
crazy.
it's pretty impressive, right?
That is impressive. Man, I'm excited.
Yeah.
There you go.
Cool.
Sweet.
So it should be done in like we just had a big project come in, so I'm gonna get your car in next week. So probably in the weekend we'll work on it and then get it to you by the following week.
Cool.
How's that sound?
Sounds good to me.
Okay, man.
I'm super hyped. Shout out to RevMoto once again.
Oh yeah.
Y'all come get
Appreciate
some
it.
paint in here, body kits, any aftermarket things that you need to paint match to your car. They got it, they can ship to you. Anything you need, they can take care of you. That's so sweet.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm excited. Leave a like if you cannot wait to see this thing red. I cannot wait. I'm gonna leave a like myself. There you go. After a successful meeting, we made our way home in the go-kart Supra. Felt good to drive that thing after a while, but now it was time to wait. Oh my god, y'all. I decided the worst day to do something productive on the Supra. There's been a lot of like wrap spots that I couldn't get off, so check this out. I took it upon myself to take the bumper off because I thought that could get me up in this little area. It's better on this side, where you can see all the wrap that's left over, and it actually worked. Because on this side, I got everything out of there, and I've just been working around the car, trying to get it nice and perfect for when we pick up the kit later this week. And I made an interesting discovery. My parking sensors haven't worked for like the last 6 months, and this might be why. This side, all perfect and plugged in, and on this side, we have the lonely end of the plug. Not connected to its buddies down there. So I hope that's what the issue is, because if I could just solve that, this car would be 100% perfecto. So I'm gonna keep going on town on this. Got that one little vent area to go, and I think I'll have all the wrap off the car. Today is the day, ladies and gentlemen. We're finally going to pick up the kit for the Supra. It is mostly done with paint. There are a couple panels that need to be redone, but we will be taking home the majority of the kit for the Supra, and that means we can get started putting it back together. We're gonna take the old truck, go pick up the kit, and I'm gonna start rebuilding the Supra, and I cannot wait to drive this thing. It's been like 2 weeks, and I miss it. I miss it so much. Let's go pick up the kit. When I arrived at RevMoto, my parts were neatly packaged and wrapped up for me. We also got to go check out the other pieces that were still drying and needed to be redone. Super nice to see those. And then finally, we got to see the wing. I am very hyped for this. Well, we made it home from RevMoto, and we have our first pieces to go back on the Supra. I'm super excited. Let's take a look at one of the ones that we get here at the house. Hopefully they are not a different color. Okay, we're looking good. We got red. How's it look, Jordan?
Very good.
That's spicy right there. That's mad spicy. And I wish you could feel it. That's so smooth. Look, you can see your reflection in there. Hi guys. So this is gonna be one of the ones that goes like this, but maybe on the other side. So we're gonna get to putting these back on the car. We're gonna do probably 6 pieces today, and the rest will probably come mid next week. So that'll be another video. But let's get started putting these things back on the car. So I bought some more of the like weather stripping sort of thing. We got 30 feet. So I hope 30 feet is enough for the wide body kit. But basically what we're gonna do is put it on the side, then come over to the edge.
Ah, my finger.
And cut it off. Boom. And hopefully we have enough. Hi, Jordan. Alrighty, check that out. First piece is back on the car. That is gonna be so cool, but this process is gonna take forever. All right, let's get these first front view done. We might call it a day. Well, fellas, 2 pieces looks like all we're gonna get today. But, you know, we're gonna run into some issues along the way, of course. We're trying to deal with what parking sensor goes where, and it's getting late and I have work in the morning, but I mean, geez, even with those 2 pieces on, it's gonna look freaking nasty. Once again, shout out to RevMoto. We're gonna get back at this probably tomorrow, so for you guys it'll be 2 seconds. For me, it'll be 24 hours.